The use of technology in the classroom is growing as our world becomes more technology reliant. With that being said, children of different ages do not all use technology the same way. Each age group uses technology differently. For this presentation, I will be discussing how children from infancy to third grade use technology. I will begin with infants and toddlers. Infants and toddlers should not use a computer or view television as it is not age appropriate according to research from Schomburg and his associates. At this age, adults should be the ones who utilize technology to benefit infants and toddlers. This can be accomplished by adults using technology to create books and posters and to document growth through portfolios. To benefit infants and toddlers, educators can access www.mystorybook.com to make a story come to life. This website walks adults through how to create a book step by step. They can then use the website to add characters, pictures, drawings, and writing. Adults can then purchase an ebook or share their story online for free. This will allow adults to create stories which include children as characters or create stories tailored to each child. Next, I will discuss preschoolers' use of technology. According to research from SLUS, educators should continue to use technology to benefit older children to create books and posters as well as document their play in portfolios. As children age, they begin to play with others. Adults can utilize technology to begin to document these group activities. Research from Krauss mentions the benefits of using technology for the purpose of observations such as recording group activities. He mentions that it is less time-consuming than traditional forms of observations, and when using the appropriate tools, it can even be more effective. By the time children are 4, they can begin to have limited access to technology. 4-year-olds can access educational games that are age-appropriate for no more than 30 minutes per week. They should only use the computer for increments of 15 minutes, according to research from SLUS. Adults can use the website DesignCap to access their kid poster maker to create posters that are tailored to children. DesignCap has a variety of templates that adults can use, or they can create their own from scratch. The Kid Poster Maker offers hundreds of templates and thousands of editing tools so adults can accomplish their design ideas. According to SLUS, children in kindergarten and first grade should have more access to technology. There should be a center available for children to access technology when it is needed. A study conducted by the Erickson Institute found that 86% of parents who were surveyed saw benefits of their young children using technology, which included literacy, school readiness, and school success. Instead of adults being the main ones to help children benefit from the use of technology, children can begin to become more independent and use technology on their own to create books, play games, and write stories. Kindergartners and first graders can access www.roomrecess.com to find a variety of educational games that are tailored to their interests. The games found on roomrecess.com contain bright colors, fun sounds, letters, numbers, and clear instructions. For kindergartners, games focus on encouraging children to count, recognize numbers, and identify letters and their sounds. The website takes it a step further for emergent students and introduces them to vowel sounds, sight words, addition and subtraction, place value, and math patterns. Next, I will discuss second and third graders' use of technology. According to research from SLUS, by the time children are 7 and 8 years old, they're able to use technology more independently, although their use should still be monitored. Children in second and third grade can begin to use technology for educational purposes, such as creating books, writing stories, conducting simple research, and playing educational games, such as the ones recommended by SLUS, including Millie's Math House or Thinkin' Things. Second and third graders can safely conduct research using Alarm.com's KidRex search engine. KidRex is a child-safe search engine that filters out and blocks any inappropriate keywords or websites. This allows children to focus on their research and stay safe while doing it. It is important that adults support the appropriate use of technology for children from infancy through third grade to ensure they receive all of the benefits that technology can offer.